Hello kids, today we will learn about wild animals. Definition of a wild animal, some examples. So let's start the video. The animals that live in forests are called wild animals. They fend for themselves. Wild animals are usually dangerous and can be harmful. We also find wild animals in a cage in a zoo like tiger, lion. Today we will learn about wild animals with the help of some examples. Let's start learning with me. Elephant, hathi, tiger, cheetah, fox, lomड़ी, giraffe, camel, ऊंट, otter, ood, gorilla, kangaroo, monkey, बंदर, panda, lion, शेर, rhinoceros, gander, owl, ullu. More features of wild animals. Wild animals live in a nature. Wild animals live in habitat which is their natural home. Wild animal depends only on themselves to survive. Kids, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We will meet in our next video. Bye. Take care.